Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to leave a review on booking.com. Follow these detailed steps I'll show you shortly to leave a review for a property you have stayed at using booking.com web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your web browser, any web browser of your choice, and go to booking.com. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Once you're logged in, click on your profile name, which is at the top right corner of the page, and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu, including Manage Account, Bookings and Trips, Genius Loyalty Program, Rewards and Wallet, Reviews Saved, and Sign Out. From here, go ahead and click on Bookings and Trips. You'll be redirected to a page with all your past and upcoming bookings. I do not have any booking, so nothing is here to show, but if you do, you're gonna find all your bookings organized here. Now locate the reservation for the property you would like to review in your list of bookings. Once you have located that, click on the booking, the specific reservation, to open the reservation details. After the stay has been completed, you'll receive an email from booking.com asking you to leave a review for the property. Alternatively, on the Bookings and Trips page, which we have here, find the reservation and look for the Write a Review button next to the booking details. So right next to the booking details, you're going to find the button that says Write a Review. Now click on Write a Review to open the review form. The next step is to complete the review form. Rate the property on various aspects such as overall experience, cleanliness, location, service, value for money, comfort, and facilities. Go ahead and write your detailed review in the text box, sharing your experience. I'd like you to be honest, clear, and respectful in your comments. Once you filled out the review form, click on Submit Review to post it. Your review will be processed and appear on the properties page after it is verified by booking.com. You can only leave a review once your stay is completed. Reviews are typically posted within 24 to 48 hours of submission. Reviews that violate booking.com guidelines, for example, offensive language or irrelevant comments, may be removed. You may edit your review later by returning to the booking details page and selecting Edit Review if you want to make changes. These steps will guide you to leave a review on booking.com for the property you stayed at. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.